Mother General of the Society of St. Anne, Sister Leena, Provincial Superior of Hyderabad Province, Dr. Sister Anthony Mary, Principal of St. Anne's Degree and PG Colleges, and Sister Anjanama, Principal, St. Anne's Junior College for Girls. On behalf of the Society of St. Anne, Mother General will present a shawl to Dr. Kalam as a token of our love and gratitude. Sister Leena will present a memento to Dr. Kalam on behalf of St. Anne's Junior College as a mark of our respect and love for Dr. Kalam. On behalf of St. Anne's Degree and PG Colleges, Dr. Sister Anthony Mary will present a bouquet to Dr. Kalam. Sister will also present a memento and a citation symbolizing our love and respect for this living legend. Sister Anjanama, Principal, St. Anne's Junior College, will present a citation to Dr. Kalam. Reputation of our love and gratitude. Thank you, Mother. Thank you, Sister Leena. Thank you, Dr. Sister Anthony Mary and Sister Anjanama. I now invite Mrs. Sugna, Head, Department of Mathematics, St. Anne's Junior College, to introduce our distinguished guests to the gathering.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is a paradox. I have been asked to introduce a person who doesn't need any introduction. It is really a dream come true to see him, and it is a fact that he is before us, a living legend, a great visionary, an eminent scientist, above all a humble and modest human being, His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He personifies the journey of our beloved country from a humble beginning to the greatest height one can think of. I feel humble, blessed and fortunate enough to say a few words about this great architect who took India to Himalayan heights in technology. But my attempt to introduce this great man, who is also known as Missile Man of India, would be like a small drop in an ocean. Dr. Kalam's magnificent journey of life commenced with a humble beginning in a small coastal town in Tamil Nadu. Born on 15th of October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Dr. Kalam graduated in physics from St. Joseph's College, Trichy in 1954 and specialized in aeronautical engineering from the Madras Institute of Technology, graduating in 1960. Dr. Kalam believes that change is crucial. His novel thoughts and ideas for various institutions have led to innovative actions. Dr. Kalam began his career as a scientist in DRDO and later served in ISRO for the first indigenous satellite launch vehicle program under the great leadership of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai and Dr. Satish Dhawan. Dr. Kalam made unforgettable contributions in this project, leading to the development of SLV-3, successfully injecting Rohini satellite into Earth's orbit in 1980. It was a proud moment.